The name of this monkey is Molu. This is Mani and his name is Manu. All three are good brothers. All three are wearing masks. They love dancing with the music. Now they are tired. One of them sat on the mat. The other two seemed mad because they don't have a mat. So they climbed up the mountain. They looked at the moon and thought they are watching a movie. Oh, look! Somebody is calling them. That's their mommy. Come home, monkeys. Mommy is waiting for a yummy meal. We are going to learn the sound of the letter M. Say it with me. M, M, M. Look around. Do you see objects beginning with the sound M? Let's look around the kitchen. We drink milk in a mug. Mug. Milk. The floor looks so messy. We need a mop to clean it. Messy. Mop. The mouse is sleeping on a mattress and he is looking at the moon. Mouse. Mattress. Moon. We know how to say the sound. Now we can learn how to write the letter M. Practice with me. Start from top, hit the bottom, go up again and make 2 camel humps. Good job. Now we will write the letter on paper with a pencil. Start from top, hit the bottom, go up again and make 2 camel humps. Now check if you did it right.
Like, share and subscribe.